Guys, welcome back to our channel, and now we are here at Bemwa dito po sa Marilog, Davao City. So ayan, meron silang comfort room. This is their entrance. This is also their restaurant where you can find lots few some of their foods which is available po sa kanilang restaurant. So we'll just go ahead first and go to their farm. So marami po sila mga different choices of fruits and vegetables, and of course one of them is also the strawberry jam and also the dressing, and this is their sorting area. Napakaganda talaga kasi all fresh at mura lang kapag dito po kayo bumili. So we bought a package of vegetables, mix po ng mga lettuce, 100 pesos lang po yan. So yan ang farm nila. Unfortunately this time hindi kami nakabili ng strawberry kasi nauubos na, kasi marami talaga ang bumibisita every day. So this is Bemwa Farm, and of course don't forget to buy also their strawberry po na fried roll ice cream. So ayan, at meron din po tayong mga choices. Marami din po sila mga coffee dyan na pwede po kayong bumili na with puto maya. Ayan, masarap po talaga ang kanilang puto maya, and marami pa po silang selected po na mga kakanina pwede po tayo mag-order. So, highly recommend po itong puto maya nila with coffee. 100 pesos lang po yan. So, thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.